Hi everyone, welcome to part 3 of HTML for Beginner series. If you haven't watched part 1 and part 2 yet, the links are in the description. Go check them out first. And don't forget to subscribe to my Mech Tech Bro and hit the bell icon. Let's get started. Yeah, today I am going to tell about lists and tables. Okay, so lists you can see here, just note it down. UL represents the unordered list, it is a bulleted. OL represents a ordered list, that is numbered, and LI represents list items. Okay, just note it down, don't worry, I will explain in Visual Studio Code properly. And let me open the Visual Studio Code so that you guys can understand. This is the Visual Studio Code. Okay, let me give the explanatory mark so I can get the boilerplate code automatically. So here let me give the title as Mech Tech Bro. Mech Tech Bro. Today I'm going to teach about lists, right? So let me give the lists here, comma, lists and table. Okay, now you guys can see here, this is the body part. In this body part, let me use UL. UL represents, I already told you in PPT, that is UL denotes unordered list. Okay, let me give here 1 second. Okay, let me provide li. Li is nothing but lists. This is the one. Okay, close it by using this. Now let me copy this thing, Control C and Control V. One more time, Control V. Let me press here, Mech Tech Pro. Okay, let me open with the live server so that you guys can understand properly. Now let me format the document, it will align properly. So I formatted the document, and now let me open with the live server. Yeah, you guys can see here. Okay, you guys can see here. No worries, you guys can understand properly because I learned it properly. Here you can code and you can see here live. Okay, not able to press every time live server, press live server and all. You just have to refresh it, that's it. Okay, now let me show you the ordered lists. Now same way what you used here, here you used unordered list. Instead of UL, use the OL. It's a ordered list. Let me close it, let me close that, and let me provide, let me copy whole thing, Control C. Inside this I am providing it. Okay, now now you guys can see here Mech Tech Bro. Okay, see here, for unordered list we got it with dotted points, and here with ordered list we got numbers 1 2 3. Even if you give one more, it will provide as a number. Okay, li, it will give as a number. Let me give here Mech Tech Bro 1 2 3. Okay, now let me format. See, you can see live here. No need to press again and again, it will open extra tabs. If you press if I press open with live server, again it will open in another tab. Instead of that, if you refresh it, it will open in same tab itself. It will show in same tab, no need to open many tabs. And now let's go to table. Okay, let me press here. These the tables. Table is this tr represents a table row, and td tells about table cell, and th is table header cell. Just note it down. I will show you practically in Visual Studio Code. Let me open the Visual Studio Code now. Okay, let me open in live server both together. Now let me press the table. Let me type the table and table close table. Okay, inside the table I am providing tr. Tr represents table row. Okay, now close the tr. Inside tr I am providing th nothing but table head. Okay, let me provide table head th, and let me copy this, Control C, and let me press one more, Control V, one more, Control V. Here I am giving serial number, serial dot n, no, serial number, it's a student details, and this I need name, 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 and here after name we will provide subject. Okay, if you want, you can give marks also. Let me provide marks. 1 second. tr th th, and let me provide marks, and close it, close th, and just press the right click and format the document to align it properly. You can see here serial number, name, subject, and marks. Okay, now let me use one more tr. Okay, tr. Now close tr. Inside the tr you have to provide table data, td. Let me give td. Td represents table data. Okay, just note down all the points so you guys cannot get any confused while doing the code, while writing the code. Okay, td, 1 second, td, I am giving 1, serial number as 1. Let me close it, close the td, just copy and paste, just Control C and Control V, and let me provide one more, Control V. Okay, here name I given as name, let me give the name as Hari, and td, what is another one, subject I am providing html. Okay, html, and marks I am giving 100. The same way, just copy this thing, the whole thing, Control C and Control V, and one more, Control V. Okay, now instead of Hari I am changing the name as Harry. Okay, Instead of 1, serial number I am giving as 2, and HTML I am giving CSS. Marks I am giving 90. The same way for third one I am giving serial number as 3, name I am giving as Tony, and subject I am giving as JavaScript. Okay, marks I am giving, let me give 85. Okay, now just align it by using right click and format. It's automatically, you can see here serial number 1, 2, 3, and names Hari, Harry, and Tony. Subjects are given HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and marks as 100, 90, and 85. You can see here. The same way, now I want to provide, let me look it as a table, rows and columns. Let me show you rows and columns by you provide borders to it. Border, 1 second, border as 1. So let me format the document. You can see here. Now you can see properly here. Harry. Now it's structured and rows and columns. Okay. This is how you make the tables and the lists. These are the types of lists, and this is the table. If you enjoyed the content in today's video, please like, share, and subscribe. It motivates me to create more videos. And thank you.